Hi everyone, next video, part 3, update on the garden. So I think it's been 3 or 4 weeks since we planted, and here is the update. Look how much everything has grown. So I want to bring to your attention the zucchini. If you look back at the first video, it looked like there was like 3 feet between my last pepper plant and the zucchini plant. You see how they evened out? Because the zucchini grows big. It'll just grow a little bit bigger than that, and it's getting ready to bear fruit. So the strawberries, the mint, everything for the tea is progressing. So is the herbs and the flowers. It's very, very dry here now. So I'm praying for rain. So I found a sunflower growing in my burn pile, so I transplanted it yesterday. It's coming back. The flowers are doing good, so we're progressing. Cherry tomatoes, peppers. Now, a lot of people buy big peppers, but I didn't, and they're growing, and they're doing really well. These were planted from seed. Look how much they grew in a few weeks. So everything is looking good. I'm expecting some blossoms on the lavender probably this week. And today I picked my first boysenberries. Oh, let's take a look at the lavender now. I guess I don't have to wait. Thank you, Lord. Beautiful. I love putting lavender in my tea. Okay, update on the bigger garden. Well, I had some extra flowers, and I didn't know what to do with them. And I noticed, your arms need exercise, woman. So I hoed a row. I said I wasn't going to do it. And I planted flowers on both sides. I think I'm going to plant some straw flowers next to the marigolds, just to have some color, something to pick in the fall. But as you can see, everything is growing. How do you like my lawn things? I got those for $1 at a yard sale. So everything is doing really good. The boysenberries are growing. These are not the boysenberries that I picked today. These are new ones, thornless. And here are the tomatoes. Didn't take long. So when it comes to the tomatoes, I buy the small ones, 6 packs, 4 packs, you know what I mean, from the garden stores. And I feed them once a week. I try to do it on the same day every week so I don't forget. But we are making progress. So thanks for watching. Leave some comments. If you planted a garden using plastic this year, how's it coming out for you? Any questions? Any tips? Any way I can help you? Oh yes, it's almost the 4th of July. So one thing I do want to share, that when I used my whole garden, I planted some perennials at the end because they needed to be transplanted, and they have grown. So I stuck a birdhouse in there, and it's very pretty to look at out my window. And these are the boysenberries that I'm watching. They go from green to red to black. So I'll pick some every day, put them in a baggie, stick them in the freezer. Next day, pick more, put them in the baggie, stick them in the freezer. Then, at the end of the season, when I'm done picking all of my boysenberries, all of my blackberries, everything else, I have ligonberries, currants. When I'm done, I make jam, but I wait until the fall so it's not, too hot in the kitchen. But just look how many. And every year, get a new crop. And here's next year's crop. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.